Hi everyone, I'm Gabe Lee, Secretary and member of the Board of Directors for United Soldiers and Sailors of America, USASOA. I'm also a veteran who served as an active duty U.S. Marine. Thanks for taking a few minutes to listen to my message. Active duty military and veterans always come together to help one another, regardless of our individual political party affiliation, if and how we worship, our social, economic status, or who we love. It's in times of economic or natural disasters that we're strengthened by our diversity, and when we realize that if we do not rise as one, we will fall as many. Over the past 7 years, as a veteran and military service organization, the programs and services provided by USASOA has had a direct and meaningful impact on the quality of life for our military and veteran communities. We provide support for military and veteran suicide prevention. Our USASOA ambassadors make monthly visits to Walter Reed Military Hospital, bringing our wounded care packages filled with snacks, toiletries, books, and the love and compassion of a grateful nation. Our nonprofit organization sends care packages to our deployed troops serving our nation in difficult areas around the world. We've held barbecues for our wounded warriors at Walter Reed Military Hospital, and we've been honored to be able to provide a distinguished burial to a veteran who died without any next of kin. We believe in getting down to the trenches and rolling up our sleeves to ensure a better life for our military and all veterans. We provide monthly deliveries of food, toiletries, clothing, and other essentials to the Department of Veterans Affairs homeless shelters, which are distributed directly into the hands of homeless veterans and to our elderly, at-risk veterans who depend on those donations. The homeless and the hungry are among the more vulnerable people due to COVID-19, and they have no home in which to self-quarantine. We have over 500 homeless veterans living in the streets and parks in our nation's capital alone. And we have thousands of elderly at-risk veterans who are food insecure, many of whom depend on USASOA delivering the needed food items, toiletries, and other basic essentials. We can't let them down. They served our nation, and now is our time to serve them. It's in our DNA as Americans to rally to the need of our fellow citizens, especially in the most vulnerable among us. As a U.S. Marine, I witnessed the human suffering from war, natural disasters, and critical health emergencies. It was always part of our ethos to listen, to help, and to care for our fellow human beings. USASOA leadership and our volunteers are committed to continuing to ensure that our monthly support line of food, toiletries, clothing, and other important essentials is not disrupted. But we can only achieve this mission with your help and support. If you just give a little, we can make a big impact. We need canned foods, non-perishable food, and toiletries. What will get us through this trying time is community. People helping people. USASOA diligently works with our homeless and at-risk veterans who have been hit hardest by recent events, and we ensure that they have the dignity of a good meal. Please consider supporting our mission. USASOA believes in selfless service and leadership, and as an all-volunteer nonprofit, over 85% of every dollar raised is able to go directly to purchasing food, toiletries, clothing, and other necessities of life for our veterans in need and their families. We've worked with organizations like Sam's Club to ensure we receive the best possible purchasing deal, and as a 501c3 charity, we don't need to pay sales tax, which allows us to have even more purchasing power. Helping others, especially those who need our support the most during this historically difficult time, will help bring us all together. None of us are alone in this crisis. We can only get through this if we gather our resources and work together. Please reach out now to join us and to ensure our most vulnerable veterans receive the care and support they need. It's more important now, more than ever, to think and act in a local level And there's two ways that you can support this important and urgent mission. You can donate by going to the link below, or you can send a care package of non-perishable food such as canned veggies, soups, pastas, protein bars to our Capitol Hill office. Go to our website, USASOA.org, and click the Homeless Veterans Outreach Program for a full list and more details, including our address on Capitol Hill in DC. The demand for our services has increased, so we need your help. We understand how much uncertainty there is out there, but helping others will help lessen that anxiety and bring a sense of care and community in a time that we're unable to be together. Thank you.